EverBank Checking Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're considering a new checking account in 2025, EverBank might have crossed your radar. Known primarily for its digital-first banking approach and competitive interest rates, EverBank aims to offer a modern alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. But is it actually worth opening an account in 2025, or are there better options out there? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about EverBank Checking, its features, benefits, drawbacks, and who it's best suited for so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. EverBank Checking is an online checking account designed to combine the convenience of digital banking with some perks that traditional banks often don't offer. The account comes with a debit card, bill pay options, mobile banking, and ATM access, aiming to cover all the standard functions you'd expect from a checking account. But where it differentiates itself is in its interest rates, digital tools, and account structure. First, let's talk about accessibility and account setup. Opening an EverBank checking account is straightforward and fully digital. You don't need to visit a branch, fill out stacks of paperwork, or wait days for approval. Most users can complete the application online within 10-15 minutes, verify their identity digitally, and fund the account using an external bank transfer. This ease of access is particularly appealing for tech-savvy individuals or those who prefer managing finances without the hassle of traditional banking logistics. One of the biggest draws of EverBank Checking is its interest rate. Unlike many standard checking accounts that barely pay any interest, EverBank offers a competitive APY on balances, often higher than traditional banks in 2025. For example, with a balance of $25,000 and an APY of 3%, you'll earn around $750 annually without lifting a finger, far more than what a typical brick-and-mortar bank checking account offers. Interest is compounded daily and credited monthly, making it a simple way to earn extra income on funds that are already sitting in your account. Most people get this wrong, but the interest isn't the only financial benefit. EverBank also reimburses ATM fees nationwide up to a certain limit, meaning you can access cash virtually anywhere in the United States without worrying about being hit with extra fees. This feature alone can save hundreds of dollars a year, especially if you frequently withdraw cash from non-network ATMs. The debit card is accepted widely, works with mobile wallets, and supports contactless payments, adding a layer of convenience for everyday spending. Security is another area where EverBank performs well. The bank provides FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per depositor, per account type, ensuring that your funds are safe even if something unexpected happens. Online and mobile banking are secured with encryption and multi-factor authentication, helping protect against fraud and unauthorized access. While EverBank is primarily digital, its customer service team is available via phone, chat, and secure messaging to help with any issues, a reassuring factor for those new to online banking. Another key aspect is the lack of fees. EverBank Checking has no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden charges for standard transactions. This is a significant advantage compared to traditional banks, which often have a web of fees for overdrafts, account maintenance, and even basic services like paper statements. For many users, eliminating these fees can save hundreds of dollars a year, making the account financially efficient from the start. The account also includes features that support budgeting and financial management. Through the EverBank mobile app, you can track spending, categorize transactions, set alerts, and even integrate savings goals. This digital-first approach provides a level of insight and control over your finances that many traditional banks don't offer. For example, if you want to monitor how much you spend on dining versus groceries, the app will break it down for you automatically, helping you stay on top of your budget without manual tracking. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. First, EverBank is primarily online. There are no physical branches, which can be a limitation if you prefer in-person banking services, need to deposit cash frequently, or want face-to-face consultations. While mobile deposit and ATM access mitigate some of these concerns, cash-heavy individuals might find this a significant inconvenience. Additionally, while EverBank offers competitive interest rates, the APY can fluctuate depending on market conditions. It's important to check the current rates before opening an account and compare them to other high-yield checking or savings accounts. Also, some users may find that advanced digital features, while powerful, can feel overwhelming at first. Navigating investment tools or account management options might require a learning curve for those new to online banking. Let's look at some real-world examples to put things in perspective. Sarah keeps a balance of $10,000 in her Everbank checking account. She uses the debit card for everyday expenses, withdraws cash from ATMs as needed, and pays bills directly from the account. Over a year, she earns approximately $300 in interest, plus saves around $150 in ATM fees that she would have otherwise paid at other banks. For Sarah, the account makes perfect sense. She earns interest, avoids fees, and has all her banking needs in one convenient digital platform. Contrast this with John, who prefers depositing cash at a local branch several times a week and enjoys speaking with a teller in person. While John could use ATMs for deposits, he finds the lack of a physical branch inconvenient. For him, the online-only nature of Everbank might outweigh the benefits, and a traditional bank with branch access could be a better fit. Even with lower interest rates, Everbank also integrates well with external financial tools. You can link the account to budgeting apps, payroll services, or investment accounts. This makes it easier to manage cash flow, track expenses, and automate savings. For users who like having a consolidated view of their finances, this feature enhances convenience and ensures that money is always working efficiently, rather than sitting idle. When it comes to customer support, Everbank offers multiple channels: phone, secure messaging, and live chat. Responses are typically prompt, and the staff is knowledgeable about both basic checking functions and more advanced digital tools. However, because there's no physical branch, complex issues that require in-person intervention might take longer to resolve. This is something to consider if you value face-to-face interactions or anticipate needing specialized assistance. Another advantage is international usability. Everbank debit cards can be used abroad, often without foreign transaction fees, and the app provides alerts for international spending. While it's not a full-fledged travel account, frequent travelers will find it functional and convenient, especially when combined with ATM reimbursement policies for domestic cash access. In terms of account security, Everbank employs advanced measures like encryption, secure logins, and real-time alerts for suspicious activity. Users can quickly freeze or unfreeze their debit cards through the app, adding an extra layer of protection. Most people underestimate how valuable these features are in preventing fraud, but they can save both money and stress if your card is lost, stolen, or compromised. The account also supports automated savings options. For instance, you can set up recurring transfers to a linked savings account or round up purchases to deposit change automatically. This set-it-and-forget-it approach helps users build savings without actively thinking about it, which is a feature many traditional banks don't emphasize. So, who should consider Everbank checking in 2025? It's ideal for digitally comfortable users who want high interest on checking balances, minimal fees, and easy integration with budgeting or investing tools. It's also a solid choice for people who want nationwide ATM access, with fee reimbursements and mobile-friendly banking features. On the other hand, those who handle cash frequently or prefer face-to-face banking may find traditional banks more suitable despite lower APYs and higher fees. The bottom line: Everbank checking offers a compelling combination of high-yield interest, no monthly fees, digital convenience, and ATM access. For most tech-savvy individuals and online-first bank users, it's worth opening. If your priorities include physical branch access or frequent cash deposits, you may want to explore alternative options. Overall, in 2025, Everbank checking stands out as a strong online banking option that rewards users for managing their money digitally while minimizing costs. In conclusion, Everbank checking is more than just a digital checking account. It's a modern financial tool that blends convenience, competitive interest, and innovative features in a way that many traditional banks don't. If you're comfortable with online banking, want to maximize interest on your cash, and appreciate fee-free transactions, it's absolutely worth considering. For those who prioritize in-person services, it might be better left, but for a growing number of users who value technology, simplicity, and returns on idle cash, Everbank checking remains a strong contender in 2025.